Come to the next topic. Uh, Geography as a study of interaction and changing relationship. Yes, what does it mean? Geography, till now we have learned there was a primitive factor. The first one was nature. In the second part, we have learned the primitive factor was human beings. Now we are going to know about their changing relationship, how the relationship changes over time. Otherwise, if it changes or not, that is the answer. It's written over the PDF file, over the note. Geography is the study of the dynamic interactions and evolving relationships between human societies and the natural world. This is a very important sentence. All of you can mark down over there that it's a study of the dynamic interaction. What does it mean? Dynamic, which is not stable. The interactions which we have learned in our primitive class, in our previous classes, the interactions which we have learned, like in first we have learned the deterministic approach. After that we have learned the possibilistic approach. Now we are going to learn about the dynamic approach or the dynamic interactions, which is changes over time. The field explores how humans and the nature influence each other. Yes, we have learned only that nature is the influencing factor, but now we are going to know about humans and nature. Both are the influencing factor with each other and shaping both the environment and the human activities over time. If nature, I am writing over there, if nature is moderate, if nature is there, but there is no human activities, then anything can make down. Nobody can't do this. Nobody can make anything. If human activities are there, but no natural things are there, no physical features are present, then human can make anything? Human can shape the environment? No. So both of them are very much important to each other. Both the factors are very much important to each other. That's why it's written each other, they influence each other and shaping both the environment and the human activities over time. What is written in the short pointers, we will let you know. In the first, what is written over there? Natural and human made features or natural or human features. Understand that geography involves both the natural world and the man-made world or the human-made features. Yes, we have learned. We have learned from geography the location of different places, different cities, different rivers, different lakes, mountains, everything we have learned. But we have not only learned the natural world or the physical world. Also, we have got to know about the human-made features. Like the canals, this is a human-made feature. Like other things are also there. That is called the human-made features. Like the agriculture, it's also the human-made features because human is making the cultivation with the help of raw materials. Come to the next part, which is continuous change. Yes, human is modifying our nature and giving a proper shape as per their requirement. Just now we have learned the line. What is written over there? That recognize that the relationship between people and nature is constantly evolving due to the ongoing interactions. Yes, nature is supporting us and human is making such a things with the help of raw materials which they are getting directly from our nature. Come to the next point, human impact on nature. Sometimes we can see the human impact is positive and sometimes see the negative impact on nature. Learn how humans have historically relied on land, modified nature. Yes, we modify our nature. That's why now we are living so comfortably in our life. From primitive societies using the natural resources to modern societies reshaping the environment with technology. This word is very important. Reshaping our environment with the proper technology. If we don't have the developmental things or the agencies or the organizations, or if we don't have the capitals with us, or the investors who can make a large machines or the industries or the technological advancement, then our environment can't be shaped by us in a proper way. If we are getting those opportunities, facilities of making our environment in a proper way with the help of technology, that we can do only with the help of the human made things, which is developed machines, technology, advancement, IT sectors, everything. So that is the human impact on nature. Come to the next point, which is written nature's influence on human. Just now what we have learned, nature and human both are the influencing factors on each other. That same line is written over there. Note how nature affects human lifestyle choices, including food, clothing, housing and occupation. If I am giving an example, in class 8 or 9 you had this chapter climate, and there you have got to know that how climate affect the lifestyle of the people. That was the direct question, and there you used to write down the answers like this. If I am telling the food in the different states of our country, if I am giving example, Kerala people, what they eat? Appam. In which oil it's made? You know that. After that, West Bengal, if I see. West Bengal, the favorite food is Luchi Puri. This is in coconut oil. This is normal palm oil. Right? So, in different states, we are having different food patterns according to the climate, according to the market, according to the demand of the people. Our clothing. If West Bengal people are wearing sari, which people, those who are staying over the mountainous area, they will definitely wear the woolen garments, right? Why? Because of the rainfall, because of the snowfall, because of the less temperature for the mountain areas. Their housing patterns. In our places, we can have different housing patterns, and those places which are prone to the earthquake, they are having the wooden materials of housing pattern. Our occupations, rural occupations and urban occupations, both are different. R and U, if I am writing over there, rural and urban. So their occupations are totally changed with each other. Why it's happening? Because of the requirement, because of the nature's influence on humans. And the last point, what is written over there? Technology and freedom. Observe how technological advancements have shifted human dependence on nature to a more balanced relationship and offering new possibilities. This possibilistic concept we have learned in our previous classes, that possibilism theory or possibilistic approach. But after that, a new concept also come, which is neo-determinism, which is called neo-determinism, and who gave this concept? Semple, Ellen Churchill Semple, E.C. Semple, some persons are calling him E.C. Semple. What he defined? What she defined? She defined human geography as the study of changing relationship between the unresting man and unstable earth. This is a very important line. Unresting man and unstable earth. Unresting man and unstable earth. The relationship between unresting man, those man who will never stop of making some new things, and unstable earth, that means which earth right now it's not stable, it's not made properly. There is a relationship between unresting man and unstable earth. That Ellen Churchill Semple said. And she is also of the opinion that man is a product of Earth's surface and nature has entered into his bones and tissues and into his minds and soul. That Ellen Churchill Semple said to us. Now they have given one example, which is green revolution. It's a good example for this matter. Example is green revolution. What it was? To increase the production. If I am writing over there, you can note down. To increase the production of food crops. Increase the production of food crops, specifically rice and wheat, because in our country most of the people have the same kind of fooding habit. So when it was happened, a prime example of this interaction is that green revolution which took place in mid 20th century. Mid 20th century. The agricultural transformation, just a minute. The agricultural transformation involved the introduction of the high yield variety crops or crop varieties. This is called HYV seed. This is called HYV seeds. Okay, HYV seeds. So high yield crop varieties, advanced farming techniques, different kinds of farming techniques they introduced, chemical fertilizers leading to increased food production worldwide. And the green revolution illustrates how human innovation, that means the uses of the technology, significantly altered natural processes like agriculture to meet the growing demands of society. Every day we are increasing our human natures, we are making our dynamic demands in front of the nature, and a lot of population is increasing day by day, so their demands are also increasing. So to meet their growing demands of the society, the natural process which we termed as the agriculture, that is also going to be changed, and human is coming as a more creative person. So it shows that the evolving relationship between humans and the natural environment as geography studies. So geography doesn't study the relationship between the nature and the human or the natural features or the physical features only. Here, geography also studies the relationship between human and the natural environment as the geographical studies.